mga antis, welcome back sa aking channel ng OA ko. Welcome back sa aking channel. Ito si Chris Aran ng tako ng aking energy. So ngayong araw, papanoorin natin yung bagong video galing sa... No, hindi naman siya bagong video, pero bagong video na papanoorin ko yun. Mula sa The Voice of Switzerland. So, ito yung series ko ng mga Filipino na jumo-join sa mga international singing competition this year at mga past na rin. So, na hindi nare-recognize o hindi napapansin na Pilipinas because of, maybe because of the edition is not as popular as American version and British version and and Australian version. So, sa ngayong araw, ang papanoorin natin ay yung blind audition ng isa na namang Filipina, pero yung pangalan niya is French. Si Alison Collier. I hope I'm saying it right. Alison Collier. And she's gonna perform the song Like I'm Gonna Lose You. So I have no idea with the song. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction on or opinion on on the performance of Alison Collier. So let's go. Okay. Very Pinay yung itsura niya. Dark. Wow. Like a scene from a movie, like every broken heart knows. We're walking on moonlight, and you pull me close. Split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. I woke up in tears, but you by my side, better believe, and I realized, no, and I promise tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like we say goodbye forever. You were crazy, 'cause we'll never know it. We will run out for time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Whoa, like I'm gonna lose you. Isa lang yan. Okay, there you go. Napanood na yung performance ni Alison Collier. And sadly, isa lang yung umikot. And I understand them kung bakit. Kasi unahin mo na yung good news. Maganda yung boses ni Alison na hindi siya powerful. Tulad nung una kong ginawan ng reaction si Cecile Centena. Hindi siya ganun kasing powerful, but she has the voice, she can sing, but her performance wasn't that very clean. I'm sorry kung mapapanood to ni Alison. I'm sorry if I will say that it wasn't that clean. Yung para pang maganda yung song, actually familiar yung song sa akin, but yung the way she sang it is hindi ganun kalinis, and instead na na-enjoy mo yung song, medyo nakata-disappoint lang. And then again, like I said, walang problema sa boss niya. She can sing, she has the voice, but the way lang ng pagkakanta niya is hindi malinis. And that's why isa lang yung umikot, and nakikita niyo naman yung umikot, parang nakalangan pa siya umikot. Because they were looking for something sa performance niya. They were looking for something sa voice niya. Na maybe, sa akin, sa tingin ko, meron pa, kaya pa niya to kaya pa niya gumawa. Yung ilabas yung tindi ng boss niya. Maybe the song lang. wrong choice siguro yung ng music or song, should I say. Kaya yun, parang ayaw ko mabash eh. pero hindi siya ganun ka impressive yung performance na talagang wow, galing, diba? Ganda ng boses, pero performance medyo nag-struggling, diba? So yun, so still you should be thankful na nakapasok siya, nakuha siya sa blind audition, and hopefully let's see kung ano yung magiging performance niya in the next round along with the other Filipinos na nakapasok dito sa The Voice of Switzerland. So kung sang-ayon kayo sa opinion ko, please comment down below. Wrong, please drop your comment below and I will read your comments and I will try to answer that kung kailangan ko sagot. Before I end this video, I would like you to remember these 4 things while watching my videos. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will be thankful if you will do so. Thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day to all out there. Bye bye.